Yep, the homie Richie. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Gxr Matt, and we at the gas station with the fuel light that's been going on for a while, but at least we're here. She was empty. 3.2. Thank you. Just got some gas. We gonna get back on the road. Maybe just talk. Got out a little late, so see what's going on. I think it might be solo today, but let's go. Got a full tank, 3.2. The last few videos, there's been a lot of just focused on riding, not too much commentating, but I do want to talk about the fact that this weather here in New Jersey is crazy bipolar. I got caught in the rain 3 times in a row since the warm weather, and it's crazy. First time was the windier day on a Sunday. Went up north, chilling. Way back, still windy like it was all day. But randomly, not in the forecast, Apple Maps weather, fucking terrible by the way. It starts raining. A hurricane for like, I don't even know. Like we were just chilling, and then like it's just like the road soaked. It's pouring. It's windy as fuck, and I'm like sliding through lanes. So I had to pull over for like 15 minutes. Which is alright, but gotta do what you gotta do. Second time, just outside, another decently warm day. It just starts raining, like sprinkling, it's just weird. The third time, kinda beat the rain, but it was 80 out. It said it was gonna rain like at night, but the group of us, like a little car meet / bike meet. It was the day we went on a big ride, 150 miles, crazy. That video's already been out. But pretty much, it was warm, you know, we're out in t-shirts, and then there's just like this wave of cold air. And then everyone's like, and you know, there's like maybe like a drop or 2 of rain, but then there's like a thing of cold air, and everyone's like, nah, fuck this, we're out. Everyone threw their gear on and just peeled. And my girlfriend with me, I was like, fuck the gloves, we out. And we were in the rain for like maybe 30 seconds, but we beat it for the most part. I wonder if this car meet's gonna be good at all. We gonna see, I guess. Got a little bit of an itch. It's gonna rain for the next like 5, 6 days, so I was like, fuck it, let me go out. Enjoy myself a little bit, fill the bike up, let it get cold again, don't condensate in the tank. 3.22 gallons, 11 bucks. This shit was completely empty. You gotta say, when we went on that big group ride, first group ride, I didn't talk much about it, but I might as well now. It was cool, you know. I mean, me and my uncle got left behind because we stopped to help someone jumpstart their bike, but we still had a dope ride. Did a little pulls on each other. It was cool. Riding in a group, I can see, was mad fun, but I kind of missed out on that part. And then afterwards, you know, when it came to like regrouping, I was like, let's go get some food. Got some tacos. Good eats when you're on a bike and like long riding, and you still got ways to go. Tacos recharge you, not too heavy. All my jeans have been ripping because of the bike I'm pursuing, because my jeans usually never rip in that spot. It's usually the tightest spot where having my legs bent on the bike. That's crazy.